Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo IdeaPad Duet Chromebook. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning you can enter files by Google and files provided by Lenovo. Simply enter the app and now you can check your files, camera, downloads, Google Play files and Google Drive. Also, you can reorganize them and search for certain files. In settings, you can select new window, new folder, select all, show hidden folders, show all play folders, help, send feedback, and check internal storage. And that's it. In Files by Google, you can basically do the same things, but it's more clearly and organized. Also, you can clean up space, share, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.